Hey there! Today I have a mix and match box to unbox. If you're not familiar with Mix and Match, it is another one of those online subscription services. I do this one actually every other month because I do so many, but I do really like Mix and Match and it is one of my favorites. Okay, so with Mix and Match, it's a little different. They do have two different options, and I do the Take a Chance box, which is basically you pay a flat $105.99 and you get up to 4 items with a retail value of $175. So that is like the more discounted box. They also have a more regular box called the Go For It box, and then that one you don't pay upfront, you just pay for what you keep. I'll put more information in the description box below about how Mix and Match works, along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. Okay, now let's see what I got in my box. Okay, so here's my box, and with Mix and Match, they always wrap it up very nicely in a bundle. And it's pink this time, and pink is my favorite color, and you also have a packet of information. Okay, and I do have a note from my stylist and an invoice. So for this box, the retail value was $199. So wow, that's a really good deal, because remember I only paid $105.99, so that's almost like 50% off. And my stylist, since I started doing Mix and Match, is Alexis. So she's awesome, I have to say. So what's different about Mix and Match, you actually get to email your stylist. So this month I was looking for some black jeans, and I really do like Liverpool jeans, so I asked if she could get me some. So she did. So I am very excited to see what she sent me, because I know about the jeans, but everything else is a surprise. Let's take one more look at this beautiful package. And it matches my pink top. And by the way, this is a top that Alexis also sent me from an earlier box, and I love it. Okay, here we go. So the first item in my box is a top, and it's by SM Wardrobe, and it's a size medium, and it's $32. Okay, and this is the anemone flower print V neckline sleeveless subtle class fit blouse. Yeah, I like this. It's very pretty. I just hope it, sometimes with these sleeveless tops, the armholes can be a little big. But we'll try it on and see how it looks. This is cute. Okay, next. Oh, it's another blouse. This is very pretty. It's by Lush. And this is also size medium. $48. Wow, it's pretty pricey. And it's the Lush Flirty Long Sleeve Button Tunic Blouse with a button front, crafted with a collared neckline and draped gathered hem. This is very nice, actually. I think, you know what, because I requested those black jeans, she sent me tops that are going to match with it. So yeah, I like this. Next are the black jeans. Oh, sorry, my dog Kaya, I got the TV over there on silent or mute, and there was a dog that came on the screen, and anytime a dog, it's just a Subaru commercial. Anytime a dog comes on the screen, she goes crazy. Kai, come. Yeah, okay. Okay. I should actually keep Kaya away from my black jeans, but anyway. Yeah, so these are by Liverpool, size 6, and they're the perfect black jean. Retail on this is $79. Okay, these are the Liverpool Black Abbey skinny jeans. Yeah, I love Liverpool jeans. These are nice. They're nice, and they're kind of like a heavy weight. And yeah, and these are stretchy, so that always works. I need the stretch. Okay, lastly, oh, I have a dress. This is cute. And this is by Gilly, which is one of my favorite brands for dresses. It's a very pretty dress. It's black on top, and it's like a knit material, and it has a striped skirt which goes around like that, and the bottom is also knit. This is the Gilly black and gray skater dress with solid color scoop neck bodice, 3/4 sleeves, and a striped A-line skirt. Okay, yeah, this is very nice. So I've got one dress, a pair of Liverpool jeans, and 2 tops for $105.99. So yes, I think this is another good box. I mean, I've yet to have a bad box, I think, with Mix and Match. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so first is the floral top. You can see it just fits just right. I really like this top. And it is just something that is very easy to wear, and it does go very nicely with the black jeans, I think. And yeah, very cute. And I've added this, this is a new splurge. I got this necklace from Stella and Dot. And yeah, so I'm wearing the jeans. So these are mid-rise. So they're just below the belly button. And they are really nice. They're stretchy. They're like a good weight. And yeah, I do like Liverpool jeans. I think Alexis always sends really good stuff. Okay, and here is the second blouse. And it is, the sleeves are a little long, so I just cuffed them. I just folded them under once, and I think that's fine. And it is really pretty. It's a little longer in the back. It has kind of a, I don't know what you call this detail, but it's button front, and it has an interesting, kind of like a folded look. And it is a very pretty print, and it matches just right with these black jeans. And I just have these, it's the only pair of booties that I own, and I've actually never worn them, and I've owned them for a year. They're by Dansko, so they were kind of expensive. Maybe I'll wear them now since I have these black jeans. But yeah, very cute. I like this. I mean, I think this looks really nice. Okay? Yeah. Okay, and here is the ghillie dress. And yeah, I think this looks cute. The sleeves are just the right length, and it fits nicely. It kind of looks like a skirt with a top. Okay, so yeah, I think this is a very cute dress. It doesn't have pockets, but that's okay. I think if it had pockets, it'd probably be too poofy or something, because it is a little poofy. But I like it. It's cute. Definitely a dress I could wear for work. Okay, so that was everything I got in my mix and match box this month, and wow, all I can say is one word: awesome. But anyway, I am actually really happy. I had asked for these black Liverpool jeans, and Alexis delivered. She actually said she had to send my box out a little later because I think she had to order these. So it's really nice though that you can email and request, and and it's a little bit more flexible, because I'd rather wait and get my box a little later and get what I really want. So that's really nice. And I do love Liverpool jeans, and I know like with this particular brand it's very consistent, and so I can be pretty confident that it's gonna fit me. So this was a win. And this dress was really cute. I liked it, and I really do like ghillie. And these two tops are really cute. Usually what I do is I go on their Facebook page and I like all the things that I like, but I don't know if I saw this. I really do like this. I think it's really cute. And yeah, and this was just kind of a very basic top. It'll look really cute with the black jeans. I think I could probably also wear it with maybe white jeans, and I do have my white Liverpool jeans that I got from Mix and Match earlier. But anyway, all I can say is thank you, Alexis. I know she said she watches my videos. I really do appreciate all the clothes that you've been sending me, and yes, it's really, really great. And yeah, so another great month, and I really do enjoy my mix and match box. And like I said, I only do it every other month, because with this take a chance box, I pretty much am thinking that I'm going to keep all 4 items, because if I were to send it back, then you kind of lose the benefit of the discount. And so far so good. It's been a win every other month. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxings and shopping hauls, and I did a skincare routine video. And if you like those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.